Howdy doody, neighbor. Listen, today I seen the most American thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Bald eagle. A North American bald eagle. White head and everything. I don't know how long I've been alive because I was born in the back seat of a Cavalier and me and Ma lost my birth certificate. But I tell you what, I ain't never felt more American in my life. Alright? Oh God. It just makes me want to rip my sleeves off, but I ain't strong enough. Oh my God, this is complicated. You know what? Just rip the whole damn shirt. Oh God, Merica.